In this video, I'm going to teach you guys the best trading strategy to use in trading gold, the strategy I use in trading gold, and how you can trade gold. So if you look at this picture here, now what do we have? We have the market on a bullish move, all right? So now, it's not just on a bullish move. What do we have? We have a higher highs and we have a higher lows. We have higher highs here and we have a higher lows. Now, take a look at this other picture here, which is this one here. What do we have here? We have the market going to the downside, which is on a bearish move. We have a lower lows and we have a lower high. We have lower lows and we have a lower highs here. Now, if we come to the downside, now what do we have? We have the market coming from the downside just like this, going to the upside, giving us a resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Now, in the whole picture of support and resistance, we are told to buy from the support and sell from the resistance. But do you just start buying from the support just like that? No. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how it works and how you can trade gold. All right. So now, before we jump to the example, guys, I got something for you, or I thought of a way of helping you guys to become a profitable trader fast. So I write an ebook titled The Advanced Forex Course. The Advanced Forex Course is all you need to become a profitable trader. The book is not like the internet type that has no value in it. You can never read this book and remain the same, all right? I have uploaded everything that I learned for the past 6 years. I mean everything that made me become consistently profitable in the past 3 years. This is my this year making my 6 years in this industry, and this year making my 3 year being a profitable trader. I have uploaded everything I knew from the last 6 years down to the last 3 years that I became a profitable trader in this book. All right, forex trading is not hard at all, guys. We only make it hard. The ebook is very few but essentially powerful. This book is the essential guide to become a profitable trader. All right, now this is what is included, and there are many more concrete information that are included. One, we have what is trading and how can you earn money with trading, the fundamentals to become a profitable trader, why 90% of traders lose and how to be part of the top 10% that win, main mistake of who lose money, habit or what a trader does to be successful, what do you need to earn money from trading, then our 85% win rate strategy, proper risk trade and money management, good trading psychology, and many more information. That is not all, and I am also giving out to that is not all, guys. I am also giving out a whopping 3-month mentorship to anybody that get this ebook for just $10. Without further ado, let's head straight to the chart. Okay, so now, if the market is going to the upside, right, we have higher highs and we have a higher lows. But if you notice here from this level now, if you notice from this level, we have a resistance and we have a zone there. That zone was broken. Pull back to retest, then turn it into a resistance. Turn your resistance into a support. All right. Now, if you observe, this is example of a bullish move. On these higher highs, that is another resistance. If the market is moving to the upside, if the market is on a bullish move, you know you should only be looking to buy right now. All we have to wait for, if you want to buy, is to wait for the market to break your recent resistance zone. Yeah, let me not use this thing. All you just have to do, okay, no, let me use the part. All you just have to do is to wait for the market to break your recent resistance, pull back, turn it into a support, then you can look to buy. This is how to trade gold on a bullish move. All right, we will be doing that example on the chart. So right now, if you can see here, we have a lower lows here and we have a lower highs. Now, what do we have? We have our support on this lower low here. All right. From that support, now we have the market went all the way to the upside, pull back to break your support, turn your support into a resistance and give us another lower high. If you can see now, this is it. Then you look for a selling opportunity. All right, now if you can see now, this is another zone here. Let me take my trading view rectangle box real quick. Now this is another support here, right? This is another support. Now from that support, now what do you have? You have the market still pull back, break your support, turn your support into a resistance, then you look to sell from that level. All right, you look to sell from that level just like this. Now let's go. I don't want this video to be very long, so let's make an example of the consolidation phase so that we can head straight to the chart. All right, so right now we have the market from this consolidation phase. Now we have the market on a bullish move. The market give us a resistance, give us a higher high, then higher lows. Now the market gave us a higher lows. That's the support. What are we waiting for? We are only waiting for the market to break this level, pull back, turn our resistance into a support, but now the market refused to give us a resistance, it refused to break that resistance zone. Now the market went all the way to the upside, give us another resistance, made this first leg, make this second leg now a double top. All right, now we still have another support here. We have a resistance, we have a support. Now finally we have the market broke our resistance. What do we wait for? We must wait for pullback like this to come and retest, turn our resistance into a support, then we can look for buying opportunity. All right, this is the best way to trade gold, guys. You don't need to complicate your chart. This is the best way to trade gold. Gold market move from zone to zone. All right, right now let me show you example of what I'm saying in the chart. Right now we are going to use this short part right now to identify what we are talking about, just like this from this level. Now you can see that this market is on a bullish move. If you can see that it's on a bullish move, then you draw your trend line just like this. You can see that it's on a bullish move. Now that the market is on a bullish move, how do we look for our buying and selling opportunity? Okay, now we start to look for our buying and selling opportunity. Now if you can see here, now we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance here, which is the market is consolidated at that moment. Then we draw our resistance zone just like this. All right, what do we wait for? We wait for the market. What do we wait for here, guys? We wait for the market to break that our support zone, turn it into a resistance, then we look to what? We look to buy. All right, just like this. If you can see, this is a buying opportunity there. When you see your candlestick confirmation, you can see this is a good trade here. All right, if you want to trade gold, then you start using support and resistance, because gold move from support to resistance, resistance to support. All right, so right now if you can see from this example again, we have this resistance zone here. If we extend to this level now, on this resistance zone, if we extend to that level now, we have the market still broke our resistance zone, pull back, retest here to give us a morning star just like that. Then we look for buying opportunity. But what if we are not in the market and this formed? Then we must wait for another retest just like this. This is a bullish engulfing just like this around this level. Then we look to buy just like this. All right, that is how the gold market move. The gold market move from zone to zone. Like I told you guys, I don't want this video to be very long. I'll be doing a part 1, which is EP1, EP2 and EP3 on this YouTube channel. And if you like the content I drop, guys, please comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified whenever I drop a video. All right, so now let's do example real quick. Like I told you guys, I don't want this video to be very long. This is just the EP1. I don't want it to be long. We have a resistance there, break of that resistance after the NFP move. We have the market come all the way to the downside here. Then we have the market still pull back, come back to retest here and give us a morning star. That is my candlestick confirmation. That is why I start looking to buy from that level, guys. So looking at this level still, what do we have here? We still have our resistance zone there. After that resistance zone there, what did the market do? Let me take this thing away so that it won't look messy there. So after that, our resistance zone there, we can see a resistance there. The market broke that resistance, pull back to retest, turn our resistance into a support. You can see buying opportunity. My student got a lot of profit from the gold market yesterday. Right now, this is another zone. This is what, if you want to trade gold, guys, if you want to be profitable trading gold, please trade the support and resistance, trade the break and retest. You will find profitability from gold, from trading gold. All right, so right now we have another resistance here, pull back, break, retest, come back here. That is a resistance that the market retest, and this is where we should look for our buying opportunity still. Let me you can see just like this. Even here still, we still have a resistance zone here. On that resistance there, yeah, on that resistance there, what do we see here? We have a break, pull back to retest there. We can see, guys, that this is just the best way to trade the support and resistance and the break and retest whenever you're trading gold. This is the EP1, guys. I'll be dropping EP2, EP3 down to EP5. All right, and I'll be dropping the profit I make here. Whenever I'm recording a video, I'll be dropping a profit I make on gold. Right, I have flipped $50 to $500 in just one trade. I have flipped $50 to 5K. Yes, I've done it in 2 days. Guys, gold is just sweet to trade.